If you're trying to move your SPayLater balance into your ShopeePay wallet for easier payments, top-ups, or transfers, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps you need. It's simple, it's fast, and it works in 2025. So follow along closely. First, open your Shopee app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head straight to the Me section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Under My Wallet, you'll see all your available features: ShopeePay, coins, vouchers, and of course, SPayLater. Tap on SPayLater to check how much available credit you currently have. This is the amount you'll be able to convert into your ShopeePay balance. After confirming your available credit, return to the Home tab. Now look at the top left corner of the home page. You'll see the scan icon. Tap it and your phone will open the QR or barcode scanner. Here's the important part. To convert SPayLater into ShopeePay, you need to generate a ShopeePay QR code. This can be from another device or another Shopee account with ShopeePay enabled. Once the QR code is ready, simply scan it using the scanner on your screen. Your SPayLater credit will then be used to complete the transaction, and the amount will reflect in the ShopeePay account linked to that QR code. And just like that, you've successfully converted SPayLater into ShopeePay. It's a really handy trick if you need extra flexibility with your balance or want to move your credit around more easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more quick and useful Shopee tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.